got some bucket list fish in the mail. It's from Jonah's Aquarium. Anybody who knows me, or at least knows me from Cold Water Aquatics live stream, knows that this was a fish that I've been wanting for a while. I just was waiting until I had a 6-foot long tank to put them in, because they will get probably too big for a 75. Besides, I already have the blue spot sunfish in there, so a different kind of sunfish. Oh, just gave it away. But this was quite a big package. I ordered, I think, 7 or 8 of these guys, and there's quite a few more than that in here. Kind of hard to see them, but they're in there. Man, it's really hard to see inside this bag. It's double bagged, which makes it kind of harder to see, but, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and float it. Show you what they look like when they're in there rather than try and look at something in the bag. These are long ear sunfish. They look absolutely amazing when they get to an adult size, especially when it's in breeding colors. I would say they would rival discus in beauty when they're all fired up and ready to mate. All right, it's the next day. I put some, well, I plan on feeding them baby brine shrimp this morning, live baby brine, but it wasn't quite ready yet. I got quite a bit now. Threw in some frozen Daphnia, and some of them look like they were ready for it. But as you can see, they are quite small. Like the size of probably dwarf emerald rasboras, CPDs, maybe about that size. So it'll be a while before they're ready to go into the 150. But yeah, that's fine. Give me plenty of time to do with it what I want to. But now it's time for feeding. All right, little peoples, little things. What is that? What is that? Is that food? Can we eat it? Not sure if they quite know what's going on yet. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Turn around, guys. See that? See all that? Why are you flipping out? It looks like they're starting to eat now. That little guy looks like he's... Yeah, you couldn't even tell these are sunfish. Yummy. Get it. Some over here too. I think I might do like maybe a weekly feeding just so you guys can see how big they get. I plan on feeding them twice a day. Obviously I can't do it while I'm at work, but... All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.